Wonder what is going on in the Sun Prairie housing market these days? We're going to cover that for you and much more in our October 2025 housing market and community update for the city of Sun Prairie. Hey everyone, I'm John Reuter with Integrity Homes, and today we're going to be breaking down the October housing market and community updates for the city of Sun Prairie, like I had just said. So let's get started with a few market updates. As of October 1st, the median sale price in Sun Prairie is at $431,000, which is up 1.4% year over year. We've closed 477 homes this year, which sounds like a really great number, but it's actually down 13% from 2024. And the average sale price, though, has gone up in Sun Prairie to $461,784, and the average price per square foot is at $244. So while the number of homes sold is lower, prices are remaining firm, which is proof that the demand in Sun Prairie hasn't gone anywhere, despite what many people are saying in the social media forums. So let's get into the monthly snapshot for the city of Sun Prairie. In September, 37 homes sold in Sun Prairie, which is 34% lower than last year, which is crazy. But the median sale price at $430,316 in September is actually up 10% year over year. While home sales are much lower in September, home prices are much higher. And homes averaged 14 days on market. We're going to get into the price brackets of which homes are selling and which ones are staying on a little longer in just a tad bit. So right now, most homes are selling around the list price. Only about 0.97% are under asking, meaning that the majority of them are at the asking price, with only about 3% selling for less than the asking price. Inventory and new activity in Sun Prairie. Well, as of the start of October, we had 108 homes that were actively listing, which is 2.1 months of supply. And if you remember from last month, we are not even close to the 6-month mark to make it a buyer's market. So we are still in a strong seller's market in the city of Sun Prairie. We had 50 new listings in September, which is minus 18% year over year, and 40 new pending listings, which is also minus 31% year over year. Firming slower seasonal momentum, continued stability in pricing in the city of Sun Prairie. Most of the home buyer activity right now in Sun Prairie is between that $300,000 to $500,000 price range, making over 50% of the sales between $300,000 and $500,000. So that's the real sweet spot in Sun Prairie right now. Homes in that range are lasting between 8 to 13 days on market, depending on if they're priced accurately and the condition and where they're located. If we zoom out a little bit, the larger long-term trend, Sun Prairie's median price was $220,000, but today it's $431,000, which is a 94% increase since 2015. That's a huge difference, but it really shows the growth and what's happening in Sun Prairie, just the demand for housing in general and stuff like that. This is a normal trend. We are seeing about 50% increase in home prices in Dane County in just the past 5 years. So Sun Prairie is not an oddball. It is within the norm what's happening in Dane County right now. Your local news for the city of Sun Prairie, they have been taking up the headlines in the news with lots of things with the school district and city budget. So Mayor Steve Strichter did propose his budget for 2027, which I am ahead of myself. We are still going into 2026, but Mayor Strichter wants to focus on public safety, infrastructure, and renewable energy. A fun fact, Sun Prairie has achieved 100% renewable municipal electricity this year, which is quite amazing if you ask me. So the public input session for the budget session, it does open up soon. So make sure you check the cityofsunprairie.com for more details on the budget and budget listening sessions if you are interested. They are trying to hear your voice and see what is important to you. So make sure you attend those listening sessions and let your voice be heard. Next up, we've all heard about it. If you haven't already, the school district in the city of Sun Prairie, the superintendent, Dr. Gretchen Garrison, has announced her resignation effective late 2025, following a no confidence vote that was conducted just this last week. So even with the leadership transitions, there's plenty of things to celebrate in Sun Prairie. The cross teams qualified for state on October 7th, so I know they are super excited about that. One of our football teams here in Sun Prairie is not doing so great, and the other one is still got above a 50% record for the year, so good for them. It's a reminder that our students keep making us proud no matter what's happening behind the scenes in Sun Prairie, and they keep doing great things both on and off the field or court or wherever they are. both academically and just in the community in general. Takeaways for the market before I ramble on more about that. If you're a buyer in Sun Prairie right now, inventory this fall, I've been telling people, but I don't think enough buyers are listening. Right now, I feel like right now is a soft spot in Sun Prairie for home buying. It's the best opportunity because a lot of buyers are in long-term leases or sitting on the sidelines, and it gives you the opportunity right now to take advantage of more concessions, credits, and price reductions. Concessions and credits are basically the seller giving you money towards closing costs and stuff like that. So we have an opportunity right now for buyers in Sun Prairie to get those where we haven't in the past. And waiting till the spring of 2026, we're going to have a lot more demand then, because a lot more leases and a lot more things are going to be coming up. And the interest rates then are going to be lower than what they are now. So for buyers, getting out there now, getting their offers accepted, and then eventually refinancing in the next 6 to 12 months, I think is the ideal thing, because come springtime next year with the lower rates, I actually think that the prices are going to be up, 6 to 8%. Now, that's my personal prediction. Overall, economists in Wisconsin are predicting that Dane County home prices are going to go up 4% on average per year for the next 5 years, up to about 25%. So that's going to be a big increase in prices continuing. So look at locking in the price now. And even at that rate, you're still getting a much better deal than if you were to wait till the prices go up and then get a lower interest rate. And we can do all those analytics for you as well on the pricing and differences. So overall, Sun Prairie does remain one of Dane County's strongest, most vibrant markets right now, driven by their schools, forward-thinking leadership, and a community that keeps investing in the future. So if you like a personalized market analysis for your home in Sun Prairie, or want to talk strategy about home buying or anything, but whatever, I'm more than free to do that. So I'm John Reuter with Integrity Homes. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next month for the November 2025 housing market and community update for the city of Sun Prairie. I'm excited to see what happens. So take care and have a great day as always.